Good Friday morning, everyone. Brace for yourself for the air you can wear outside this morning. Temperatures, these are actual air temperatures. Quite warm for 6 o'clock in the morning in late August. 78 degrees in Lima right now. That is the lowest our temperature has fallen all night. We spent most of the night here in the 80s. As we look to the north, a little cooler. You guys had some relief because of some thunderstorms and rain-cooled air associated with those storms that rolled through. Temperatures at 73 in Findlay, 74 in Ottawa, 75 Bluffton. Then off to the south, we have 81, the warm spot in Minster this morning, and then 78 degrees for Salina and for Sydney. The heat index temperature is a little warmer. We have a heat index still sitting at 81, but that's actually quite an improvement. In fact, that number's fallen about 10 degrees in the last couple of hours. So we'll take any relief we can get. Up to the north, heat index temperature is a little bit more tolerable, I guess you could say, but this is still incredibly warm for this early in the day in late August. So again, this is the warmest start we've had actually all summer long. Overnight last night, boy, hard for your air conditioner to keep up, and we have temperatures like this throughout the night. Now, this will be really an image to save and have in memory. So in a few months from now, when we have wind chills below zero, we'll remember how warm last night was. When we had temperatures at midnight last night, it felt like 95. It felt like 91 at 4 o'clock this morning. And you can see we have finally gotten some relief with a heat index now only at 81 degrees. We're going to see some relief coming into the forecast. It's going to be slow. Today, still very muggy out there. The good news is that heat index isn't going to soar like yesterday, so instead it's going to just slowly creep up toward 90 late this afternoon. But then as we head into tomorrow, definitely a notable difference. It's still going to be sticky on Saturday, but you'll notice a difference compared to what we've been dealing with right now. And then by Sunday, we're going to see some really pleasant air roll in. And then next week, boy, we're going to have a really nice stretch of weather working in. Just a dramatic change from what we're seeing right now. So we had some thunderstorms overnight, mainly north and east of Lima. Those have pushed out of here. Radar is quiet this morning. Your forecast shows temperatures will fall a bit more through 9 o'clock this morning. We'll see 8 o'clock temperature at 77 with a heat index of 79. By noon, our heat index 85. And then by 4 o'clock, we'll see a little more sunshine return this afternoon with temperatures feeling like 90. Still very warm and muggy, but it is an improvement from yesterday. Our clouds will tend to increase this morning, and then we'll see a decrease in clouds for some sunshine this afternoon. Rain chances are very low. There's no severe weather chances in the forecast for us. As we move forward into tonight, there could be a stray thunderstorm, and as we move forward into Saturday, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Still a little sticky out there, and we may still get a stray shower to pop up, but most areas will stay dry. And then as we head into Saturday night, that's when we'll really begin to see relief when it comes to that dropping humidity and cooler temperatures as well. And we're going to continue to see a cooler trend in the forecast next week. We've got a hurricane that's actually going to have some impact on those temperatures because we have this hurricane that's going to move up through the Atlantic. It's Hurricane Franklin by the weekend. As we go into next week, we'll also have a cold front at the same time moving its way in across the Great Lakes, the upper Midwest. This cold front's going to move in Tuesday night, and as it moves in, it's actually going to merge with the hurricane to the east, and as that does so, it's going to really amplify this cooling air mass behind that system. So we're going to see a strong flow out of Canada, which is going to provide us with some really incredible weather next week. We're looking forward to just a 180-degree change from the weather we've talked about the last several days. You notice our low temperatures. Tonight we'll see a low of 68, and then tomorrow we'll see a high of 82. Tomorrow night's low 60, and then after tomorrow night, the rest of the 7-day forecast has overnights in the mid-50s. And yes, that is a 49-degree low temperature next Thursday, and we'll see that temperature fall to the low 70s for highs by midweek.